We're excited to welcome you to the 2026 Space Coast Birding and Wildlife Festival. This is a brief instructional video to access the Cvent Attendee Hub via the web on your computer or your iPad. If you follow the link provided, you will enter your credentials using your first name, your last name, and the email address in which you registered. Going to pause the screen recording for a second and put in my credentials. As soon as you enter your credentials and press next, it will pop up a screen to enter a verification code, which will be text or emailed to you. Once you put that code in, it will log you into the Attendee Hub. When you land on the home page, you will see our festival details and a festival headquarters at the Radisson Resort at the port and the address, your information on the right, and then on the left-hand side, you'll see something that says your name and field trips and talks. If you click on that button, it will show you anything that you are registered for during the festival. I only have one in here as an example, but if you have multiple days, you can view it by day or download your specific calendar. If you go back to the top of your page, there's a drop down for schedule. If you drop down and click all sessions, it will show you all of the sessions offered at the festival. You can filter it on the left by the date, the time, or the category and the type of trip or workshop that it is, or you're welcome to just scroll through and add any additional sessions that you'd like. If it's a session for purchase, there will be a purchase price and a button to purchase. If it's a presentation that works with your registration, there will simply be an add button that you need to click. If you go back up to the schedule drop-down, there's also a drop-down for speakers where you can see all of our speakers and field trip leaders. And if you'd like to see what they're specifically leading, you can look down. You can purchase from there directly, or you can just see their page and see their bio. In the community area, you can see other attendees. I'm the only one listed at this time, but once people get logged in, there will be more. If you do not want to be a part of community discussions, you are welcome to hide your profile when you log in. And then in the discussion area, there's nothing here yet, but there will be things about meetups, maybe gear, carpools, and stuff like that. If you go to the expo dropdown at the top, there will be an option to see our exhibitors. Anyone that's exhibiting at the event or sponsoring the event, they all have a virtual exhibitor booth. If you want to see our sponsors as well, there's a special page for them. And then at the top, there's also a floor plan tab where you can see the floor plan for all of the exhibitors in the main expo center or the floor plan for all of the exhibitors in the Pavilion Expo Center. Back to your home page, it'll give you a summary of your events, and we hope to see you there. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at director@scbwa.net.